Well, here you can see the finished adapter. This back hole back here is 1/8 MPT. You got a 10 millimeter port here, 10 millimeter here, and 10 millimeter here. This is the original T-piece in the rear. This is for the brake line. This is a mounting hole. And what I did is I made the unit so that the mounting hole is roughly the same, so that this port on this side will be in the same orientation relative to the hole. It's important because this hard line goes across the transmission over to the other side, and it would probably be hard to move that. I did move this port here a little bit offset from the original T. It's not a problem because the main brake line that comes from the front to the rear of the car has got actually a little bit of slack in it. And then this port won't matter, the extra ½ inch or so won't matter at all because this one is a soft line. So this is actually a soft line, and then the port will be screwed into the back. I made the port with 1/8 MPT. The sensor that I bought from EVTV actually has a quarter inch MPT on it. So I bought this adapter from Parker Hannifin. See if I can get it with the right hand instead of my left hand. There it goes. So that'll be the way it'll work. And then I'm going to use this to thread into here. So that's the way my brake adapter will work. And the nice thing is this will be mounted to the rear, so this will be very close to the Curtis controller. That way you won't get much noise interference between running it from the front all the way to the back, so you don't have to worry about that. If you have one of the new brake sensors from EVTV, all you'd have to do is screw it directly into this block. I am going to put some thread sealer in here. It's commonly not used in brake lines, but Loctite and Permatex both make a special sealant material for these things. They'll handle up to 10,000 psi once it fully cures after 24 hours. It's heat resistant, and it's brake fluid, hydraulic fluid resistant. So I'm probably going to put a few drops on here and a few drops on here when I finally do the assembly. Well, here's a shot of it with the pressure reducer installed. This is the main swing axle here. You can see the shock there in the background. So this part does pivot, but there's no way it's going to come up high enough to interfere with the sensor. Kind of get a little better angle of it from right in there, so yeah, you can see how it works. So I think this will be nice. The pressure transducer will be in the rear of the car and closer to the Curtis controller for less interference.